Okay, here I've already created an isosceles triangle, and I'll show you how I did it in a second, but we have one point out here, and when we move this point, it'll change our two sides, which are equal. And also I can drag one of these points around. You'll see these two sides always stay equal. So how did I do that? Well, first, what you want to do is realize an isosceles triangle has two equal sides. So first thing I did was created a circle. So I'm going to use the radius of the circle to create the isosceles triangle. Then I created my two line segments, which are both radiuses, radii. And because they're on the same, same circle, let's get rid of those. They're on the same circle. They're always going to have equal lengths and therefore create a isosceles triangle. Then I take a line segment, connect these two. We got our, did it again. We got our triangle. The next little thing is let's get rid of this, hide this, which is under, where is that? Display hide circle. There we go. Now we have an isosceles triangle and a point, and if I drag this point around, of course I'm changing the circle that you can't see, and that changes these two radii, but they are staying the same. Then if I drag this around, it stays the same radii, stays isosceles, and if I drag this around, you see I'm dragging the triangle within the circle. So that'll change its position. Okay, and that's all there is to it. The interesting thing is the way this works is if I take this point, if I select this point and delete this, the whole thing goes away because the circle is deleted that's hidden, and so it deletes the radii. So do a little Control Z, bring that back, and there we go. Thank you.